Today, we are going to be learning about a special process within the study of stoichiometry. And as we have seen from our online notes, stoichiometry is the study of amounts in chemistry. The process we're going to learn about is called dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis can be defined as solving problems by converting from one unit to another. In this process, we start with a value and its unit and then multiply by a conversion factor. The denominator of your conversion factor should always have the units that you start with so that those units cancel. Now, how is this related to the work that we've been doing in our class? Well, the last assignment, we see that here we have a conversion problem going from moles to grams. And this is similar to number 1 on the review sheet that you were given. So how would we approach this problem? If we take what we are given, so G, what are we given? In this problem, it says, what is the mass in grams of 0.2 moles of magnesium? So we're given 0.2 moles. You have to keep your units. And it's important to also say what substance it is, because as you further your study of chemistry, you're going to see that you're going to convert not only between units, but between different substances and their units. So what are we looking for? What is the mass in grams? So we're looking for grams. Now, if we go to our periodic table, well, the first step we would do is to actually write down what we're given. So we're given 0.2 moles of magnesium. And then, as I had said before, we are always going to, in the process of dimensional analysis, we are always going to multiply by a conversion factor. A conversion factor is just a fraction. Now, we've started off with moles of magnesium as our units. So in the denominator of our conversion factor, we're going to put moles of magnesium so that the units will cancel. And then on the top, we can go from moles to grams using the periodic table. So we'll put grams of magnesium in the numerator. Now, if we go to our periodic table, we see that there's 24.305 grams of magnesium per mole, right? This is the molar mass of magnesium. So we can go ahead and put 24.305 grams. And then we see here that the moles cancel, should be per 1 mole. So the moles cancel, and we're left with what we wanted, grams of magnesium. And when you multiply 0.2 times 24.305, you get approximately 4.9. Really, we could round that to 5 because the 0.2 is only one significant digit because the 0 is a placeholder, but we'll leave it like this for now. And so that's one way of using dimensional analysis very effectively to go from moles to grams of an element.